your experience, otherwise it will become very noisy.
So anyone? Sarika ma'am? Let's start with Sarika ma'am. Sarika ma'am? Okay, so anyone? Let's call Triloki sir.
Hi everyone.
Yes, please, sir.
Yeah, I found the first one as said by uh, Doctor, like the tabletop method I have used, and I have my own design. Like I have also consider taken one picture. I'll share that one. I put one bucket and one hanger. Then I put some booklet over the hanger. Then I place mobile on top of that hanger. Okay, and that went well. And I taken a video of 4 minutes or 5 minutes. But the problem I shared with the Google Form that I and in my phone I have this only like a I don't have this 720p recording, so I had to go for this 1084. So for 5 minute recording, the memory took like 700 MB. So that was a problem. So today, as said by Yogendra Pal sir, we came to know that how to compress the file, and I hope that this will help us and everyone to create their own slides and any video for the students.
Yes, sir, it will actually help you. Let me also share your video. So this is your video. This one is your video, correct, sir? Is this your video, sir?
Yes, sir, yes.
Address decoding.
Yes, address recording.
So, sir, the problem here is that this video is actually coming in portrait mode. That's the
Right,
problem.
right. I feel the same problem. Okay.
So what you can do, because I have feel that your camera position was correct.
Okay.
Yes, because I don't see any problem with the camera position. Your camera position was correct. The only problem here is that even though your camera position was correct, you are unable to produce the video in landscape mode. For that, I have suggested, I have already given review to your video.
Okay.
This is the review to your video. So first of all, you need to use a bolder pen. Right now, you can see that this pen is very thin. See, I am unable to read.
Yes.
Even if I rotate my screen.
So should I consider sketch pen for this?
Yes, sketch pen is a better option.
Right.
Because see, nothing is visible.
Okay.
8086. Yeah, it's very difficult to 8086 up. Okay.
Microprocessor.
Yeah, microprocessor. Yeah.
Right.
20-bit address line. 1 MB of main memory. Yeah, it is becoming very difficult to read, sir.
Yes, yes.
So just use a bolder pen. Try to keep your paper straight. Means this is what I was talking about that day. See what happens. We generally keep our mobile stationary in correct position, but we don't keep the paper in correct position. Okay. So whatever setup you have made, you need to make sure that your setup is able to set your mobile at any position, because we can't keep paper straight, that is for sure. We need to incline the paper, correct? So in that case, your camera must take the same position.
Okay.
And you can please share your this arrangement image to this. I have given a link.
Okay, I'll share that one.
Slide. So if you can just post your image there. I am sharing it right now. I have it here.
Okay.
So all the arrangements are here. You can also share your image so that others can use it.
Okay, sir.
So many teachers have shared their
Yes.
arrangement.
even we can make arrangement by influence by taking care, by basically getting information from these images, I think.
Yes,
Right,
yes,
sir?
yes. Yes,
We can
definitely. This is why actually. Actually, that's the idea behind it. So that you can make
any tabletop arrangement actually.
yes, yes. I'm sharing this link. Please go to this
Okay, sir.
and then post your image also here.
Right.
Definitely, sir.
And so that's the only thing. So I have written this for you. You asked the question, so I gave the answer also. UCut editor is required.
Okay,
Okay,
sir.
so this same editor will actually help you in setting the correct orientation also. That is also explained in the same video. Only one video you need to watch, and everything is covered in that.
Okay, sir.
Okay,
Thank you. Thank you, sir.
most welcome, sir.
Okay, so similarly, we can go for another participants. So,
Yes, yes, fine.
do I need to call the name,
No, no, I
or
will.
we can I request to take basically voluntarily initiative and discuss.
So anybody, if want to share, if you want to share your experience, because it's a new experience, especially with the tabletop, it's always new.
Right.
So if
So
anybody,
we can do one thing, sir. We can take. I mean, as per your preference, we can take the video from your list and call the participants. That's the one way we can do if participants have connected.
what I am doing right now, I am sharing the uh, submissions with everyone.
Right.
You can view your submission. I have shared the link on chat. Please go through this. You can read your submissions. I haven't yet able to review 3-4 videos.
Right.
You can now come here and I have given review. If you have any question, specific question, you can ask me. And then we will do it one by one.
We have one plain text. We have to convert this plain text into key private. After it is decrypted, the required private key or any public key, which was given by about cryptography. Thank
Okay, Yogen sir, we can take one by one, I think, for
Yes,
discussion.
yes.
So very fond that basically we can discuss in detail on a particular assignment. We can take that assignment.
Yeah. So
Very,
let's
very
start
yes.
with Dr. Rasmi, ma'am. Ma'am, are you here?
Yes, I think she's connected actually with this.
Okay. So I'll share your video because this video is
No,
really
no.
good.
See, let's take another one. She's not with us
Okay,
right
okay.
now.
She's not
Yes.
here. Okay. So here's another video by Dr. Jitendra Kumar Singh. Sir, I shared 3 videos, actually 2 videos. One is the repetition. So I'll just
Right.
play that video. Let's play the first one, which is recorded outside. So this is the video. And if Vikram Singh sir is here,
Yes,
and if
sir.
you want to share your experience or want to say something, please tell me.
Ram Tikangar, MP. I am very happy to become part of this continuous development program. Yes, JP.
So basically, this is a problem in most of the videos. In fact, all videos have this problem except Vikram Singh sir's video. Last video don't have this problem. The camera angle is not correct. It is very important to understand that your camera, if it is your camera, you need to place it parallel to your eyes. No, sorry, in front of your eyes, that not down, not up. Because if you put this down, what will happen? Even though you are looking into camera, it will look as if your eyes are closed. Okay. So see, right now I am looking into the camera. This is why you can see my video is coming in a proper manner. If same camera I keep it down, okay, I still keep looking into it, then it will look as if I am not looking into the camera, my eyes are closed. So don't do this. Try to keep your camera to your eye level. That's the very important thing which is missing from all the videos. And second problem means, again, is in this particular video, the voice quality is really good. So this headphone has done a good job. See,
Today's session is very
absolutely clear audio. There is no problem.
by
So this means,
you can
and this setup right now, this mobile, this headphone, this means you do not need to buy any other equipment in order to record your video.
on our podcast.
Okay, and the thing is that whenever you, I understand that these videos are made in kind of a pressure, and why, because you didn't have time, you were just. So I really appreciate that you have submitted something. I'm just giving my review so that when you have time, you don't repeat those mistakes. Correct. So don't take them negatively. I'm just trying to give the constructive feedback so that you can improve. The thing is, whenever we are presenting, it's really very important that we don't read. Being a teacher, we should never read. You see, we know our subject well. Correct. This video is going into a different direction, but I am talking generally. Never read, because we know what we have to say if it comes to our subject. So try to present directly without reading. And when you are reading, at some point you may need to read. Make sure you are reading only points, not the text, because if you read the text, it will be visible that you are reading. Neither present written text properly, just give some bullet points like you have seen in my slides. There are only bullet points, not the complete sentences. So just put them to get the hint. Simply go to them, take the hint, and start telling it in your own language. Also, you can use your own language. Means there is no need to use English all the time. If your target audience understand Hindi well, you can use Hindi.
Great.
Then there is this. Yeah, there this another
Sir,
video.
Yogesh sir, we can take video from Dr. Rasmi because
Okay.
she just joined.
Okay. So let me just finish Dr. Jitendra Singh's video.
Yes, sir. Sure.
Then we will go to. So both videos are of the same instructor. The same problem is there. This camera angle is not correct. This is the only problem. So for this, see, when you are recording talking head video with the help of camera, in our camera there is a special arrangement. So for example, in my camera also, means I don't know if I am correct or not, but in my camera there was some way to do the recording. So like I am here, and if I do this, there are some cameras that accept gesture. Yes. So my camera took my picture without pressing any key. I didn't press any key. And what it did, see, right now, you can see it. It's here in front of you. Okay, what I am doing, I am just doing this in front of the camera. Okay, sorry. I am taking my hand and see it took the photo. See, it automatically captures the photo. So there are cameras that now recognize gesture. And not only gesture, some shortcut can be set to start recording. So this camera also, this is a low-cost mobile. It's not a costly mobile. So even in video, I believe it will start working. It will start recording. So you see if that is available. And I don't know if it is true or not. Maybe it will start recording with the help of this also. Yes. See, with the help of this, I can start recording and stop recording. See, now recording is stopped, and see, this will start. I'm just using this. So this means without wasting my time into after switching on the camera, putting it here, there, I can just set it up, and then with the help of this, hello students, without wasting a single second, without arranging myself in the beginning, I can do this. And similarly, when I am ending this, so I believe here also we have done this same. See, rather than using this, you could have simply pressed this button, simply taking your hand here and done. So this way you will get a good way to start and end your video, and no editing will be required because your video is perfect.
And he given link all these very
So I like this
very
mic. Your mic is really good. It's recording in very good quality. Just you need to change the camera angle and remember some kind of shortcuts like this shortcut I just find out in my mobile. Maybe it's working in your mobile also. You just check it and let's see if it works. So that's all I have. So
Yeah,
Rasmi ma'am,
doc-
you are here, then I
yes.
can take your video.
She is with us now. Ma'am is with us actually. We can discuss.
Yeah, ma'am is here, na?
Yes, yes, she joined.
So actually, I really like this video. Okay, and what I have written here, the only problem here is that camera angle is not correct. See, you again the camera is somewhere down, and you are looking into the camera like this, which is not correct method. So always try to keep your camera up to this. And I want to know which camera you are using because camera quality is really very good.
Ma'am, is it possible you to enable your audio? Rashmi ma'am?
Or just write the comment also if you can't enable the audio.
Right.
Okay, and yeah, there is one tip that I just find out yesterday. So when we are working on MS Word, what to do? Let me just open MS Word. For example, MS Word is here. So what you have done, you have presented file from the MS Word. See, see, this is how you have presented it. So in your complete video, this text is only here. So what we are doing, we are actually wasting this much area from this side and this much area from this side of the screen, which should not happen. So this is why what you can do, you can simply, when you have opened a file in MS Word, you can go to read mode. This is the read mode. See, this first one is the read mode. Simply go to the read mode. Then you will get it in a proper way. And now, without even, you do not need to use your keyboard now. You can use mouse keys to go back and forth in your documentation. This way, now you can see it is looking really good. And even you can go one step ahead of it. You can also remove this footer and this top bar by simply pressing this button. See, now you have complete area for you and you can utilize it for teaching. See, so use this when you want to present with MS Word. Although I always say that don't present with MS Word because MS Word is not meant for presentation. Whenever you will be presenting with MS Word, it is obvious that you have a lot of text written here. Okay, and at a time either I can listen to you or I can read the text. So basically, this text is not useful for me.
रहेगा यूनिवर्सिटी के एग्जाम में भी और कोई कॉम्पिटिटिव एग्जामिनेशन भी
And what I really like about this video that you are not only teaching but you are also telling why this topic is basically you are interacting with the student. Okay.
वो भी ब्लूम्स टैक्सोनॉमी से सवाल आता है तो ये अच्छा इंटरेस्टिंग टॉपिक है इसीलिए मैं इससे शुरू कर रही हूँ ताकि आपकी रुचि बनी रहे इस विषय में तो ब्लूम्स टैक्सोनॉमी देखो ब्लूम्स टैक्सोनॉमी क्या कह रहे हैं कि इज ए क्लासिफिकेशन सिस्टम यूज्ड टू डिफाइन एंड डिस्टिंग्विश डिफरेंट लेवल्स ऑफ
Your voice quality is really good, means whatever mic you are using, it's capturing your voice in a really good manner. The only problem here is either fan is on or there is some other constant noise source. If you can either just switch it off or while setting OBS, you can set the noise gate, then it will become really good and no processing will be required in that case. Also about this taskbar, see this taskbar is visible, which does not look good in video. So, and actually, sir has asked this question to me. See, There's a question related to it. Um, there is a question by Kapil sir. Kapil sir has asked, I capture the screen, but I want to remove the Windows taskbar. Sound recorded is very low. So how to remove the taskbar? See, when you go down, you will see this taskbar. Right click on this taskbar. Everybody who wants to record screencast, they need to know it. Just go to right click on the taskbar, go to taskbar settings, and then in the settings, select this automatically hide the taskbar in desktop mode. Make sure it is on. When it is on, what will happen? So let us say I am not making it on. Then you can see the taskbar is always available. So whatever video I am recording, this taskbar will appear, which is actually taking a lot of my screen space, and I don't want this. So I will make it on, and now it is hidden. And whenever I need it, I can take my mouse pointer down, it will appear. Right? So this is a very good tip to record clean videos. So you can also do the same, ma'am. Also, yeah, that's all. Why your confidence level means I really like the confidence level, the way you are communicating with the students. You're not hesitating, you are sharing everything. That's really, really good. And somehow voice quality of almost all the submissions are really good. Let's now take this video, Kapil sir's video.
Friends, welcome again to this session of Excel. In this session,
So actually, I also want to know that how you did that. Means
we'll learn about filters and the application of filters. Now, friends, for filters,
Yeah, sir is, I think sir is with us only.
This is Dr. Kapil.
Yes.
What I did is
Yes,
I
sir.
found, like I did not do with OBS, but I thought OBS could be helpful, and that is why I sent this video to you. There is a software I found out that captured the screen and put the video also with a webcam or the camera of the mobile or laptop. So I did this video with the help of that software, but my issue was the top side, like you see on the top, my pen drive, education, and file and inbox, everything is visible on the top of the menu. The menu bar is visible,
yes.
right? And in the bottom, that this is visible. My question is that how to hide the taskbar. These two things I am unable to remove. I don't know whether OBS.
So I already know. So actually, I already told you how to remove taskbar. So you can do it now.
Okay.
You have got it, sir, or not?
I
How
got
to
it.
remove
Taskbar. I got about the taskbar. The sound is problem for me. Sound
Yeah,
recording
yes.
is low and noise is there.
No, actually, when I see that audio quality is good, actually. This is what I found. Let me again listen to it.
now you want to connect two columns for filtering the data. Let us say
No, sir.
sales period quarter one.
Your
and
sound quality is good, sir.
3 and 4.
So sound quality is good. The only noise is the only problem. That you can do easily with OBS. And actually, I keep doing these presentations, so I don't know. Did I not cover this part? Means presenting your screen with your video in my last presentation?
Yeah, it was well discussed, sir.
It was not discussed. Okay. Yeah. So this means that you can do it.
I can do it. So actually सीखने में थोड़ा time लगेगा ना, so I
No, that's okay. That's okay. I just wanted to know if I forgot it somehow. So what I wanted to know from you, see, sir, from here to here, your face with this slide is visible. Then after that, suddenly your face is not here. So how it happened?
I made 2 small videos. And then somehow used the software to, now today in the morning session that will be helpful to connect them. Connectivity बहुत अच्छी नहीं है दोनों के बीच में, एक black gap आ जाता है.
Okay.
तो आज सुबह जो आपने टूल दिया है, I'll be trying with that. मैंने 2 अलग-अलग बनाए, दोनों को कनेक्ट किया.
I see, I see. And which software did you use?
Just 1 minute. I just forgot. I'll tell you in 5 minutes. I'll
Okay,
type on
okay,
the
no
screen.
problem. No problem, sir. Yes, you can type.
Right, sir.
And so, sir, everything is right. Means I don't see any big problem with this video. See, I never give comment on content unless teacher specifically ask for, right? Because content is something very subjective. Every teacher has different. So I already talked about, means I always talk about presentation quality and production quality only.
Technical aspect of video. Right, sir.
Now, here's the question by Dr. Naresh Kumar. So this video is by Dr. Naresh Kumar. If sir you are here, you can.
Yes,
now-
yes. Sir has posted a comment that please take my video directly.
Yes, yes.
Thank you, sir.
Yes. So actually, yeah, this video is really good. Let me just switch on the fan. I forgot it. So this video is really good because you have planned it properly. What I really like about this video that you included both talking head as well as tabletop in one video. The only thing that now actually you can do it because you know about the software that I demonstrated in the morning, OpenShot. So this part, when your camera is moving and going to the paper, that part now can be removed. Let me just play the video.
Will be fine and happy. Today, in this session, genetic algorithm, with the help of an example, will be discussed.
Yeah. So sir, this part now can be removed easily. The second problem that I found with this video is that your camera is set to landscape mode, but paper is still in portrait mode. If you are making videos of tabletop style, then make sure that you always use your sheet also in landscape mode rather than the portrait mode. Because when you write in portrait mode, even though your camera is in landscape, it does not really improve the quality. If you rotate it and then you present it, then it becomes really good.
The simple form of genetic algorithm is displayed on your screen. So, step parent chromosome fit individual as the output.
And as I told you that whenever you are doing tabletop, your voice quality will be good because mic is near to your mouth, and this is what has happened here. See, no noise, only your voice is coming, and that is coming really nice.
For the solution. Now we discuss each iteration of this process. Each iteration consists of the following steps. All about.
Sir, if you have included one more talking head at the end, then this video was complete. So like here, from here you started explaining about the next video or concluding this video actually.
So new population individuals have best fitness than previous population individuals, right?
From here, if you could have recorded yourself in talking head, then this was the complete video and it was really good video. So let me know if you have any questions, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir, please. Sir, please ask your question.
Yeah, Naresh sir, please go ahead, sir. Yeah, hello.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
please, you're audible, sir. Please go ahead.
Sir, so I want to share here. This is I have used only my mobile. I have there is no laptop, no other ones. So I have tried to contact with the students only with the help of minimum resources, just like only mobile. So if someone having no other resources, so how I can communicate with my students with the help of only a number of limited resources, just like only mobile.
So that's you have actually did it perfectly. Means with the help of just your mobile, you have created a video. There is no problem in the video. Everything is perfect. Rather than keeping the paper like this, if you could have kept your paper like this. That's all. Now nothing is remaining. So you can just share this video with your students. So I didn't get your question actually because you have done everything. Your video is ready. So if you see any problem, please let me know. What exactly do you want to improve?
Yes, sir. Thanks a lot for your nice comments, sir. Thank you, sir.
Most welcome, sir. And also on mobile also, like you have recorded tabletop, correct? Sorry, you have recorded talking head. You stop recording. Once your talking head is done, you stop recording. Then you record tabletop. Then again you record talking head. After, so this way you will have 3 clips. And in the slide, I have given a link to reduce file size using UCut editor. Just watch this video and then you will learn. Yeah, you will also learn how to merge these 3 clips and reduce the file size also, so you will not face any problem even if you are sharing your video directly with the help of your mobile device.
Thank you, sir.
Most welcome, sir. Let's take another question, another video now. So this was not actually the valid video. Amit sir, do you wanted to share something else but accidentally shared something else, or? So here's a video by Sonam Bharadwaj ma'am. Let me just play this video.
Yes, Sonam, I request you to enable your audio.
Model is the basic initial model in the software.
Yes, so,
Yes,
so
sir.
be ready with the feedback.
Yes, sir.
Requirement analysis.
So actually you have shared 2 videos. One is tabletop video and second one is a screencasting video. So
Yes,
in
sir.
tabletop video, your video is just the only one problem, camera is moving. That's the only problem. Okay. So background noise can be removed easily. It's not a big issue if you want to work on background noise. Just switch off the fan and other sources of noise, and then your video will be good in terms of audio also. And I believe because you did not have any arrangement to put the mobile.
Yes, sir. That was the problem. Yes, sir.
Yes. But you can take ideas from the sheet that I just shared.
Yes, sir. This was my first video, so I'm still learning. This was the first ever video I've recorded, so I'll make better videos.
No, but it is
in
looking
future.
really good. It's because your handwriting is good.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Just need to put the mobile stable.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So I think for this we take some idea from the listed tabletop models.
Yes, sir. I'll make the some arrangement that are feasible. Yes, this
And
was
also
the.
in your subject, actually software engineering, tabletop is not really required. So you can
Yes,
have done
sir.
it easily with the help of slides.
Of course, sir. But I wanted to just make a video using
Yeah.
tabletop. Yes, sir.
Correct.
That was the only reason.
Yes. But basically you do not need this because it's software engineering. Then you do not need.
Yes, sir.
Slides, right?
Yes.
So, but I have problem with your second video. The second video somehow is not good in terms of audio. So let me just play this video. This is your video, no?
Yes, sir.
So I just want to know what went wrong, because in your previous video the audio quality was good. So how it's not coming properly here?
Sir, in the previous video, I did not use any headphone or anything else. But in this, I think my headphones were not good. That's why the audio quality is not good.
I see.
I
I see.
did,
So,
yes, sir.
got it.
That was the problem. I'll use some other headphones and then try to record.
Okay, I just ask it because I believe I talked about noise gate also.
Sir, that I just applied the filters, but the headphones were not good. That
Okay.
is why my voice was not captured correctly.
No,
That
actually,
was the problem.
I'm asking because my feel says that you applied processing, and this is why the quality has gone down. This is only
No,
why. No, okay,
no processing, sir.
okay.
Because
If this is not the case, then it's okay.
yes, sir, no processing.
Okay,
Yes,
okay. Then it's fine.
yes.
So here I have a video by Bhavani Singh Rathore, sir. No issue facing to upload video. So, do you want to say issue facing to upload video or?
Yes,
Okay.
Bhavani sir, is there?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. So
Actually,
basically,
I'm not having any issue by uploading the video because I have a fiber optic cable Airtel connection. But due to the short time period of assignment given to you, that's why I just uploaded and not use any sheets,
I got it, sir.
any slides.
Because this particular topic is good for slides, not for talking.
Yes, sir, I know that.
Yeah.
Cryptography, network security is very interesting topic and it's covered by the slides PPT. Next time I will prepare by the PPT.
Actually, sir, it's up to you and your students. If they like it, then it's okay. Means I have nothing to do with this.
Yes, sir. Yes,
I'm
sir.
just sharing my views. That's all.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Let me just play the video. I want to hear the quality of voice. So, sir, quality of audio is good. The only problem here is that in front of you there is a light of multicolored. Means there should be a light of no color. Means white light is required. No yellow light, no red, no green, because it's reflecting. See, your face, red, yellow, green.
Yes,
These three colors are coming. That's just make sure. So even I have this window here, and in the window there is a curtain. The curtain is of red color. So when sun goes into this direction, that red color reflects on it. So even if I am using white lights, the red color actually decreases the quality of my video. So whenever you are recording, just make sure you have only white color light.
Okay, sir.
So I am yet to review these 4 videos. Let me just move to the videos that I have reviewed. Let's take this video now, Vikram sir's video.
Okay, so the purpose of this video is to share my experience with various experiences.
Sir, where are you looking? Because it's not, it is not looking that you are looking into the camera. Are you looking somewhere else? Sir, are you there? Okay, sir has gone, I think. Maybe sir is busy. Let's take this video later. Let's talk about Alok Singh sir's video now. Sir, are you here? Alok Singh sir?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Okay. So, sir, the first problem with this video is the dimension of this video is not basically aspect ratio.
Okay.
So aspect ratio of this video is not correct. There are 2 problems, one with the slide, second with the mobile. So what is happening nowadays? Nowadays mobile are coming in different dimension. It's not the 16:9 actually. It's something else. Like my mobile also, it creates problem when I record video, record slides with the help of my mobile, because the screen size is not 16:9. So if it is will be 16, then some portion from here and some portion from here must be cut. So that's the, I think, same problem with your mobile also. The dimension is not correct. So how you can correct it? With the help of UCut, you can correct it. So let me just do one thing. Let me, rather than saying that you can go to watch that video, I think most of you are going to use mobile only. So let me just share that video link, because that's the only video that you need to watch in order to make all these corrections.
Sir, actually, I was just disconnected a few minutes back.
Oh yeah, sir. Actually, I took your video only. But okay, sir, we will take it later.
No problem.
स्वागत करता हूं आपका अपने इस नए YouTube चैनल में, जिसका नाम
So this is the video that you need. Everybody who is using mobile phone to record videos, they can use this to edit the videos, and then all your problems will be solved. Okay. Let's now come to the review. So this is the first problem. The aspect ratio is not correct. Second, your presentation's aspect ratio is not correct. Okay, so what you can do when you are making a presentation on your phone, then you can set its dimension to 16:9, this ratio to 16:9. This way you will get enough space to write your content. The third problem with this is that the text, there's a lot of text. This much of text is not actually advised when we are making educational videos, because at a time either I can read or I can listen to you. So students prefer to read rather than listen to you. So if they start reading, they will not be able to listen to you. And if they start listening to you, they will not be able to read it. So that is the problem. So don't do it. Try to convert that into small bullet points and then present. That's all. Only this is text heavy. That's the only problem with this. I think this is what I have written. Yeah. That's all. And I have one more problem. Actually, not a problem. It's my mistake. I didn't talk about it. A very important thing is to give the visual cues. Why? For example, if you are explaining this, you are saying that when it perceives services, then it can either go to here or there's no arrow actually. Okay, so let's say starting from here. So management perception of the consumer expectations. From here, we can go to only this translation of perception. That creates gap 3, something like this. So what I am doing, I am moving my mouse to tell you that where do you need to look. And these are the visual cues that I am creating. Visual cues plays very important role when it comes to teaching, and especially when teaching with slide. Now the problem is how to present visual cues in mobile, because I am right now working with my computer, so it's very easy to move the mouse. So in your mobile, what you can do, you can enable touch pointer. For that, you can go to settings. In settings, somewhere in administrative access, yes, or additional setting, you may need to, developer options are required basically. You need to enable the developer options. And in developer options, there is an option to show the touch. Let me just look into it, then I'll talk to it for you. See, here I am on developer options. There are developer options in your mobile. In developer options, there is an option to show touch. Just enable the show touch. When show touch are enabled, then you can touch your screen and touch will be visible. If you can see a white colored pointer is coming. Okay. So that is directly under my fingers. So what I can do, actually I can show it to you by simply recording my screen. Right now I am recording my screen. And wherever I touch, for example, I am touching here on the camera, then I'll go back. So whatever I'll do, all my touches will be now recorded. And then I'll stop the video. And see, now you can see. For example, I am touching here. You are able to see the touches. So this white touch pointer is visible, correct? So you can make the same arrangement. Then this white pointer will be visible, and this way you will be able to provide visual cues on your smartphone also. And it is really, really important, because while we are presenting, we don't realize. But if you watch the same video after 10 or 12 days, you will be able to, you will not be able to look into the portion that you are explaining. That is actually, that visual cue is missing from complete slides.
ठीक है, तो इसके थ्रू एक्सपेक्टेशन होनी है, यहाँ पर ये भी मिलेगा, ये भी मिलेगा.
Rest of the things are good, means the voice quality is good. This is why I haven't not written it. So I have not written any positive comments. I have written all the problems only. So if I have not written, this means things are correct. Let me now take this video. Sir, do you have any question?
Alok sir, please unmute yourself.
No sir, no.
Okay.
No sir.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Sir, actually, here, by looking into your video, it seems that you are not looking into the camera.
Yes, sir.
Okay,
It
so
was
are you?
placed somewhere like left side of the questions.
Okay. So any reason or?
Yeah,
just-
actually, it was because of arrangement. I do not have any stable surface, so that actually I was using this tripod, so I was not having a stable surface to basically place that one. So if I use the right side table, which is visible in the video, in that case, the video was not proper. So it is because of two reasons. It is because of the availability of surface. Second was the placement of the light source.
Yes. Yes, that I got, because I think light source is here.
Yes, somewhere in the opposite side of this wall.
Yes. But sir, even in that case also,
right,
because you are not reading from slide, is it? Are you reading from?
Yeah,
slide?
actually, this video was just a feedback.
So you could have actually looked into the camera. That's the only problem with this. Means other than sound is a big issue, because I believe you have made a closed arrangement, and in that closed arrangement, what is happening? Your sound is bouncing back from the walls. This is why there is echo. If you listen to this, there is echo.
So this video I have recorded in the month of January.
Okay.
Just after the workshop. So yeah, so I thought of recording a feedback to an online course, which is done by Samir sir, digital transformation course. So it was a simple feedback.
And so that's the only problem. So here you have written screen size of the speaker is too small, but I didn't find it. Means even what I found that sometimes the speaker was not required on the screen, because you have to arrange your video many times.
Right.
On this meeting, which is kept in my local drive system, I need to see for the option in the Chrome web browser, like casting, right? So in the setting, if you go, there is option of casting. So casting basically offers you features to.
So sir, you can hide the taskbar.
Right.
And how we are using this floating window? Is it because of Screencast-O-Matic?
Right.
Okay.
Basically, browser. Correct. You can select one of those.
So here audio is good. Only problem is background noise. You can remove the background noise also.
Yeah.
And this size is perfect, sir.
Right. This video I have recorded in a hall kind of area. The area is big actually. I was in the corner of that hall. So
Okay.
because of that, I think this background noise is there.
Okay, sir. So this video is also good, but you used only this Screencast-O-Matic. You did not use OBS.
Yes, yes.
You have many actually installed. You have this also. This is, I think,
Yes.
Screencastify. Screencastify
Yes.
is there, and
Yes,
this
sir.
is also some. Okay.
It will not. So basically, if you are sharing these kind
Actually, we have recorded these kind of videos for some kind of help, and we are keep sharing among with the other faculties in a close
Yes,
group
sir.
actually. So this particular video I have created to explain how to share a file which is kept in our desktop in Google Meeting. So one day we
Okay.
faced this kind of issue, and again our HOD sir asked, okay, can you troubleshoot this issue, and let's record a video and share with us so that we can. So likewise, we are keep doing it.
Okay. Okay. Good, sir. So Chandan sir, are you here?
Yes, I think.
Yes, sir, I'm here.
Hello, sir. So, sir, I am actually not even able to understand English properly.
Actually,
so how
sir,
can I understand Russian?
Actually, this text in Russian language, and
Yes.
so I try to actually, this is the text, and I try to read this text for the student, because the student are supposed to learn how to read, because there are a different stress system is there in Russian language. So I had to read, and the student had to listen that, and then they have to read again, and then they attend the reading, recording of their reading.
Sir, because this is a kind of tabletop arrangement, so voice quality is good. No problem with voice. Even there is
Actually,
background noise. Yes.
Sir. Actually, I recorded in Audacity first of all my text reading, and then I because it was very difficult to make arrangement for tabletop recording, so I recorded in the end only, and then there was a first that videos were recording in MPG format, and then text was recorded, audio was recorded in MP3 format, and then I merged all these videos and audio, and then I got this
So
video.
you have done a lot of work for this.
Yes, sir.
But you could have simply took the scanning of this and created a screencast. You could have created a screencast.
Yes, sir. Actually, I had problem in my laptop, so it was very difficult to.
I see. Got it, sir. But
I used only my mobile. I used only my mobile.
But you use a laptop to record record your audio with Audacity.
Yes, I recorded earlier, sir, for my student. It was already
Okay,
recorded.
okay. I see. Got it, sir. So there are two problems with this video. First, the camera is moving a lot.
Yes, sir.
Obviously, because you do not have a stable arrangement. So
Yes,
I have shared
my hand was shaking when I was recording. Now it was very difficult to.
Yes, So that is definitely difficult. This is why it's advised, even if you are recording 15 seconds clip, it's advised to keep your camera stable. Second problem is that cues are missing. Whenever there is text or even there is diagram, it is advised to use the visual cues. So for example, if let us say I go here and I play the video, as a student, I don't know what in the whole screen, which word I need to look at.
Yes, sir. Right.
So I don't know. So that's the problem. So whenever you are making any kind of video, actually use visual cues. And actually, because of visual cues only, tabletop is preferred over Khan Academy style videos. Because with the hand, it's very easy to give the visual cues. Because yours is also tabletop, you can simply take your finger there.
Yes, sir. At least my cursor should move along the word, each word, so that the student would have been easily understanding which text and which word, when which sentence I am reading.
Yes. So this is the only problem. Visual cues are missing. So whenever you make video, anyone, whether it's a screencast or slidecast, try or tabletop, try to give visual cues.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Right.
So do you have any question?
No, sir. No. Thank you.
Okay. Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Thank you very much, sir.
Most welcome, sir. So I think we have already discussed about this video. Yes, we have already discussed. Now we have 4 videos left. Let me now play these videos. So I wanted to give the review. Let's just play it. And I think this one is already reviewed. Chandan Suman.
Yes,
reviewed.
just reviewed.
So this is just a repeat. Now 3 videos are left. Let me just play this video by Madhav Chaturvedi sir.
Yes, actually, Madhav sir has posted few questions also.
Okay, okay.
So you can take all questions as well as reviews. Sir.
Yes, sir. Good afternoon.
Okay. So, sir, if you are here, you can ask your questions. Then I will talk about this video.
Yes, sir. I want to know that in open area, where any function is running on open area like a ground, and like the example of 15 August. So, how it will be possible to open area recording and uploading the video? Can I know about that? Its software and hardware and
So, open area means you want to record your video outside.
like
Beyond class, sir. Beyond class, sir. Classrooms.
college campus, like ground, small size.
So, sir, you can record in ground means because I don't see any problem because you just need a tripod.
Yes.
You just need a tripod, and then you can fix your mobile. Or if you have a camera, then it's a really good thing. But you can fix your mobile here, and then you need a mic which has long wire. Okay, or you can use a wireless mic. So wireless mics are costly. They cost around 12,000, 15,000. You can simply buy a very low cost mic that is available on Amazon. Just make sure their wire is long. The mic that I recommend, its wire is not long. So there are mics which has 12 feet, 15 feet long wire. You can then connect to your mobile and then you can make video in ground.
Okay, sir. Please suggest mic.
Sir, actually, the only mic that I can suggest is this one. I seriously don't have any other recommendation than this. So you just go to Amazon because you need long wire. That's your first requirement. So you go to Amazon, search for these mics, good quality mic, and then buy one which is less than 1,000 rupees. Because very soon if you want your quality recording, very soon you may want to switch to these wireless mics which cost around 12 to 13,000. So in that case, this 1,000 is going to be waste. But for 6 months, 7 months, you can use that. Just buy one. So let me now just take a look into this video. The problem is same, like the orientation is not coming correct, although your camera positioning is correct. This can be seen, and this is because some information is lost from while you are recording something like this or while you are uploading the video. So what you can do, you can use UCut editor to correct the rotation, correct the orientation. So this way you will be able to rotate and produce. This way you will get a lower file size also. It's not only you will get correct orientation, but you will also get lower file size. The audio of this video is not very good. So maybe because of this mic is capturing outside video. Just a minute. So this video is actually, your mic is somehow capturing noise higher than your voice.
So mic is so far from my voice, so it will move not correctly. And
it looks like that video is running in your mobile or somewhere else, because some other video clips can be heard also. See. No, it's coming fine. I think I heard your voice from meeting. So you need to obviously upgrade your mic, and that's all. Rotate your video with the help of UCut editor.
Okay, so next time I will remember, and it's my learning period, and thank you for knowing about me that what is wrong on that particular video. So I will definitely correct on next. Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Okay, thank you, sir. Thank you very much. So let's take this video now, Santosh Kumar sir's video.
Today we will understand order of growth of functions. So whenever we write an algorithm, we try to find out the runtime of algorithm in terms of input size. Asymptotic time complexity. तो क्लियरली समझ लेते हैं कि एसिम्प्टोट क्या होता है। तो जैसे मान लिया हमारे पास एक फंक्शन है y = x + 1, तो हम इसका ग्राफ
Okay. So basically, what is happening here? Whenever you make arrangement for tabletop, you make sure that you will use your paper in landscape mode, not in portrait mode. That's a very important thing. So because now you are using in portrait mode, this is why your text has gone out. Means you generally forget while you are teaching, you forget that you have to look into the camera whether your text is coming properly or not. And this is what has happened here. Your font size is perfect. If you could have used a sketch pen or a permanent marker, then it would have been better. But right now also your text is clearly readable. You shot in landscape, and your uploading is also in landscape. That is also a good thing. This means you do not need to install any other software in order to rotate your video. This area is going waste just because you are using paper in portrait. Use it in landscape mode. Your audio is also coming good, but there is background noise, and that background noise is because there is some either fan or something else is on very near to your mobile.
हम बोलेंगे टाइट लोअर बाउंड या टाइट अपर बाउंड ऑफ b। ऐसे हम सुप्रीमम जो बोल रहे हैं।
Sir, other than this, video is fine. Let me know if you have any other question.
Yes, no, I think Dr. Santosh is not with us, but actually I have been in touch with him, and he was pretty much involved in recording these kind of video in the last I think 3 to 4 months.
Okay.
So he is using to share the notes of his subject with the students through, I think, YouTube also. So he's much interested. Yes.
So he has written that fixed mobile stand is a must.
Right.
So if he need, he can just ask a carpenter to get it developed. Let me now just take this last video by Naveen sir.
Hello students. Today we will discuss about some basic formula also known as the function of analysis. On the left side you can see some dummy some dummy data on which we will
See, this is the visual cues I was talking about. So here we can clearly see that where to look into the video.
and on the right side there are some cells.
Sir, are you here? Are you present in the meeting?
Sir, he is not with us, I think.
Okay. So the good thing about this video that he also take care of the size of font. See, generally Excel sheets don't have this large cell, correct? But he has put extra effort to increase to zoom the sheet. And now when this sheet is zoomed, we can clearly see the text. Text is readable, everything is visible properly. As far as audio quality is concerned, audio is really good. Maybe he has used noise gate. The only problem with this video that I can see is this taskbar. So just tell him if If you
Yes.
just remove this taskbar also, and then this is the perfect video to share with students. And because he is using OBS, if he has a web camera, then he can also put his face into the video, and that will actually improve, add some additional value to the video. That's all.
Discuss about some basics.
This is actually perfect video to share with the students. Okay, sir. So all the videos are now reviewed.
Right.
If there are any questions about H5P, integrating H5P into Moodle, video creation, or you want to know about some hardware, some other software, please let me know. So here's a question: how to upload good video? That is already answered.
Yes. So basically, we have done with this overall reviewing of users' participants' videos. Now we are actually having 10 minutes around for today's session, and this is probably the last session with the Dr. Jürgen Pahl. So I request participants to share any general feedback on 4 sessions which was scheduled on the very first day of the workshop and today's sessions. So overall, we can get some feedback from participants. So I request participants to share feedbacks. And if they have any specific query, specific means a query which concern or query which I particularly we are facing. So kindly share.
Well, thank you, Naresh sir.
So yes, Sarika ma'am, if you are able to hear me, I want to listen something from you.
Yes, sir, I'm there.
Yes, please say something.
Hello.
Yes, yes, ma'am.
Sir, please repeat. I didn't actually get what you want to ask me, sir. Vikram, sir.
Okay, I just wanted to ask which camera you are using.
Okay, sir, I'm just using the webcam laptop.
Oh, that is really good. Which laptop you are using?
Sir, this is Dell.
Okay, I see. Got it. Thank you, ma'am. That's what I wanted to know, because the quality is really good. You don't need external webcam.
Yes, sir. Yeah.
So here's a question by Sonam ma'am. You used a pointer that zoom out the cursor or value in the screen. How you did that? Actually, I didn't get the question. Can you please give me some reference of the video?
Sir, the video you shared in the last session, how to reduce a file size.
Okay.
So, yes, whenever you are going to some particular, value, or you are telling about some format or track, so wherever you are placing the cursor, the value is zoomed. So, how did you do that, or it is after the editing, after editing the video? I just want to know that.
So you want to know about which one? Actually, there are 2 videos in reduction also. One is of mobile, one is for this desktop. So which one you are talking about?
Sir, here's the link, which the video link in the chat box.
Okay, just a minute. OM. Okay. This one. Okay, it's for the laptop. Let me just open the video. Only then I will be able to say something.
Yes, sir.
Because it's been a long time.
Because whenever you are pointing the cursor, the text or whatever you are talking about is zoomed, and it is very visible and clear.
Yeah. So till the time, okay now.
Yeah, here you are. Okay, I got it.
Yes, sir.
Yes. This one, no? This one.
Yes,
This
sir.
Yes. Actually, it is because of a feature which Camtasia has. If you have access to Camtasia.
Editor, again editor.
So here in this Camtasia editor, what I can do, I can actually give some effect to my mouse pointer.
Okay.
And this is one of the effect, that zooming. So when I say zoom, it actually zooms some area around it. Then I can also decide what is the circle size, what should be the circle size.
Okay. Okay.
So let me just show it to you.
I think, sir, this same feature is basically are available in various screencasting software.
Yes, in many screencasting software, this feature is available. You can simply zoom.
Zooming.
So, but in Camtasia, there is only one difference, that you can do it during editing.
Okay, while recording.
Yes.
That's good part.
Yeah, because many of times we don't want zoomed area. Let me just show it to you. When we go to cursor effect, in cursor effect there is an option cursor magnify. When we use it, we get that zoom part. But
yes, sir.
But for that, it's mandatory that you record your video also with Camtasia.
Okay, sir. Okay,
Because
thank
only
you.
then it will capture the mouse position, and based on that, it will do the magnification.
Thank you so much.
Most welcome. Let's now come back to questions.
Yeah.
Kapil sir has asked something. Learn about some really good tools and skills. Okay, thank you very much, sir. Okay, thank you, Madhav sir. Also share PPT and recording of today's and yesterday's sessions. That will be with sir. I have already shared my presentations with everyone.
Yes. We are actually whatever content we are recording, we are capturing, we are getting from experts. We have placed all those kind of contents into Google Drive folder. The links has been shared on daily basis. I am sharing the content, and each and everything has been kept on that folder. Even your certificate will be placed on that folder itself by tomorrow maybe.
So I have, okay, I will receive that. Okay, so that's all.
Hello.
Yes, please.
For example, being as a teacher, we would like to give videos. We are trying our own work, working hard and all that. Like you have prepared your videos and you have posted it out for the students. But when you are teaching to a class, you will ask your student. They told simply, yes, sir, we have seen that video. So, is there anything that is available or any toolkit? Like in Coursera, we are able to embed MCQ question. So we can analyze how many of them have seen whole video, and we can embed MCQ questions so that they need to apply before coming to the next part of the videos in continuous motion. Is it possible, sir?
No, sir, yes. In the morning itself, I talked about H5P.
Okay.
You attended that session, sir?
Yes, sir. But due to some connectivity and I have class too.
Okay. So basically, H5P adds an overlay to your video.
Okay.
Then you can set. Even you can do much more than what Coursera is doing. You can set a question, and then you can also decide if a student answered it incorrectly, what will happen. So students, if you decide a student has to watch certain portion of your video again, unless they answer that question correctly, they can't jump to the next part of your video. So that is also possible with H5P. So you explore h5p.org. In H5P, you will get lots of activities along with this. This particular content type is known as interactive video. And you can use this with WordPress, Moodle, Canvas, Blackboard, Brightscape, Drupal also. And let us say if you are not using any one of them, then what you can do, you can create a WordPress website. In WordPress website, you can host your H5P content. And then you can take the embed code and then use it anywhere where you want to share your content with students.
So simply now, like for example, through tabletop, we are creating any video. So we can also embed it in that also.
Yes. So what you need to do, first you upload your video on YouTube, then create a H5P activity in Moodle and create an interactive content and interactive video, and then insert your video into that.
Okay.
And then you will be able to add interactive elements. Yes, sir.
Very informative session. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you very much, sir.
Okay, so let's take Saurabh Channa sir call actually, because in the morning session, he shared that mail that he's facing some problem with the OBS. So, Saurav sir, if it is possible to enable your audio, sir. Saurav Chana sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yes, sir, please.
No, it's okay. I don't have any question as such.
No, sir. Actually, I was discussing a morning mail. Actually, you have shared that you are facing some problem while installing OBS.
Actually, my laptop is not working well, so that's why I'm not able to install software. It is hanging,
Okay.
and also I was not able to record the video because of that.
Right, sir. So for this, I think Dr. Agenpal has shared that one problem we can face that with Windows 7, OBS will create some difficulty. Otherwise, it's fine. We can easily install it, sir.
It's not because of the software. It is the problem is in my laptop actually.
Right.
It's hanging due to maybe due to some virus.
Right. Sir. Okay. Thank you, sir.
Okay. Thank you. Thank you so much.
Most welcome, sir.
Okay. So let's take one or two questions from participants. Anyone from Bikaner, Engineering College Bikaner? Poonam ma'am or maybe Rudraj sir? Because now we are closing.
Yes, sir, I'm here.
Okay, so do you have any question?
Sir, actually, I've already explored a lot after attending January's workshop.
Yes,
and today also, I don't know.
One thing I want to share, sir. We have around 6 to 7 participants, which are common to the January workshop and this workshop. So we are expecting a lot, but I don't know why they are not delivered. So I.
Okay. But I can give you a review. Actually, today also I tried to upload my video, but I don't know, there was some captcha problem coming on the form, and I tried 2-3 times, and then the link was over, so I could not submit. But I made, and I have been benefited a lot from this workshop. Actually, I have explored some other tools also later. I think the most challenging problem that comes to me is preparing the questions part. Like actually, I want to do MCQs with students. Whenever I take lecture, I want to give them some questions to do, some practice questions. So mostly MCQs and something. So that is what I'm still not able to, on 3 platforms, I'm not still able to explore that part properly. Otherwise, video editing, OpenShot has been very helpful. Merging of the videos, everything I've been able to do a lot, very easily. And then uploading on the, and reducing size problem, and that thing, I think automatically in OpenShot it is resolved when you go for the low quality settings.
Yes. So I can solve your question related problem. Let me know if you want to give questions in online session, live session, or you want to give questions in offline sessions.
Yes, sir. Actually, Google Quiz I use mostly, but I think that is more than that I want to do. But Moodle is actually, I think we don't have Moodle access. That is free. जो भी वर्जन है उतना ही हम कर पाते हैं. तो कोई और टूल कुछ ऐसा जिसमें मतलब कुछ और ज़्यादा ऑप्शंस हों जैसे Moodle में होते हैं.
Actually, Moodle has the best quiz engine. Moodle has the best quiz engine, and no other software has yet reached to that point where they can compete with Moodle. Okay, and also Moodle is free. You do not need to worry about paying any amount. Simply go to Gnomio. I'm sharing the link. I don't know exact website name, but I know the name. So go to Gnomio. You can create your Moodle instance there. The only thing is that they will display some advertisement, but that's okay. You can take your classes without any problem. If they give you 200 MB, that is more than sufficient to run your classes, and you will get it. So again, I am asking when you want to ask questions to students, there are 2 possibilities. Either you want to ask those questions in online mode, like this live session is going on, and I want to check whether all the people are listening to me or not, then suddenly I give a question and they have to answer it. You want that, or you want to ask questions like the way you do in Moodle and some other platforms.
Right. So actually, sir, I mean, how this Genome facility is different from Google Moodle Cloud actually.
Sorry, sir. Actually, I lost some connection between now.
Yeah, that's okay. Actually, Moodle clouds are not free, actually, sir. But
Right.
Genomio
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Because
Genomio is free.
yes,
But
it is
Moodle
entirely
cloud
free, right, sir?
Yeah, it is free, completely free. But it displays advertisement along with your content, along with your post.
Right.
Yeah, ma'am, please ask a question. Poonam ma'am. So basically, what I was saying.
Yes, sir.
You want to ask a question?
Yes. Regarding questions only, I think I was using one. I tried using one app, Testmos. This app, actually, I liked it. But again, when the number of students are more, then I'm not able to utilize this. So yes, mainly I face issues with the assessment part, like this thing. Video creation, using this our OBS is very fine. मैं उसको बहुत प्रॉपर्ली यूज कर पा रही हूँ एंड इनफैक्ट मैंने बहुत वीडियोस क्रिएट किए ड्यूरिंग लॉकडाउन फॉर स्टूडेंट्स हेल्प एंड देन एडिटिंग पार्ट स्टार्टिंग में तो काफी प्रॉब्लम आ रहा था लाइक फॉर एग्जांपल आई वांट ओनली आई डोंट वांट माय टास्क बार टू बी शोन और समथिंग बिकॉज ऑफ एक्स्ट्रा एप्लीकेशंस ओपन और समथिंग so editing is required. So doing that scaling thing I explored that like I can scale my video that I explored because you want to cut some extra sections of your video captured. So I explored already OpenShot and OBS. So apart from this, any other video capturing softwares?
If you are going
you
into
can tell.
Yes, if you want to go for free tools, then
I only want to use free ones.
Yes. Then in that case, one software is really very good. Just a minute, I forget its name. BB Flashback Express.
BB Flashback. Okay.
Yeah, Flashback Express.
Flashback Express. Okay, I'll search it.
And also recording is available in PowerPoint.
Yeah, even I use PowerPoint also. Yes. And after doing that PowerPoint, like then I have to edit. Then I go for again OpenShot.
Yes.
In that case also. Yeah. So that is also helpful. Yes. So yes, these January sessions are actually really helped in you gave the direction, the way you gave the direction. We used it and explored more. And we didn't know this came as a surprise when Vikram sir sent the link for the workshop. It came as a surprise, like, oh, again it is happening. So yeah, we can get. So this time again, I got to know a few things, more new things. Thank you, sir. Genomio.com. Okay. This is for Genomio.com is for the quiz.
Moodle hosting.
Moodle hosting. ठीक है सर, ठीक है. Okay, sir.
Okay, thank you.
Fine. That's all from my side. I really like this these sessions from.
Yes, thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, sir.
So now, yeah.
Okay.
So can we have more questions or feedback from participants?
Sir, I want to add something. Like you were talking about Moodle is for paid services. So if Moodle is paid, then Blackboard is very good because I have.
No, it's not paid. That's what I raised with sir. That Moodle cloud services are paid. They are having only limitations on participants. But now Genomio, it's free. I think. I was just looking into the features of Genomio. So it is free for. Yes.
Moodle is just a software. But in order to install it, you need to use some kind of hosting. So that hosting is paid.
Hosting, yes.
So you need to take hosting from someone. Correct. That hosting charges you have to bear, and that is really costly because even if you have 100 students, you need a very good server that will cost around 1,000 rupees per month. So that is
Yes.
costly. And like you said, the Blackboard is there. Yes, I understand. Blackboard is there, and there are many actually. Class Dojo is available.
Those is there, but sir, I have an experience with Blackboard from last 2 years, and the functionality and the kind of support and kind of student traffic they are handling, that was good enough. And
Yes,
the
yes.
huge number of facilities are there, or plugins are there. All the complete packages there. That was managed by some US company actually. I think.
Yes, yes. Blackboard INC is the company. So just want to know, can you attach your own domain name?
With Blackboard, sir.
Yes.
Let me check it, sir, because I have already opened it. I think yes, I can say. Yes, sir. You can attach it.
For free.
I don't know about that, but because my organization is using it.
So they are paying, sir. Then it's not
That's
free.
why I'm saying they are paying. That's why
Yeah,
I'm
yeah.
saying I have an experience with that tool, because
Yes.
they are paying that. So that's why I'm saying that it's a paid software, and the functionality which Moodle contains is much more like, I can't say a small, because they are also doing a very good effort.
Yes,
but
yes,
the kind
right.
of functionality Blackboard is having is also very good.
Yeah, so in
They are
fact,
well-
Blackboard, Canvas, and
Canvas,
Moodle, these
Moodle.
three are the competitors, and they all have very good functionality. Moodle lacks
Exactly.
in UI and UX. Moodle's look and feel is not as good as Blackboard and Canvas. Look and feel. Other than that, they all are equally good.
Because we are also doing assignment evaluation and term examination, so everything should be handled. Like institutions are struggling while taking the interim examination, but we have a well way of organization of all the interim and all the video creations, because as you told, OBS and Kaltura, they all are easy to be connect with Blackboard platform.
Yes, yes, yes. But it is very costly, sir.
Yeah, sir, costly. Sir, can you list some of the freely software that we can use, like as you also told in this session, in all the sessions also, but can you list some of them so that whenever we require certain things, so that we can list it out or extract from there?
So
Do you have
again,
any-
sir, the thing is actually I have my channel. You can go to my channel, ET Mantra. I keep talking about various paid and free softwares and hardware also. So you can get the list from here, but it depends on what do you want to use, because there are many things. So I can't give a long list here. It's not possible because there are many tools. Like here on my table, there are 9-10 hardwares available. Okay, so even if you say quiz, in quiz also there are 6 or 7 services which are really very good, like Mentimeter, Quizlet, Quizlet, Test Modes. These are available. So it's not possible to give a list unless I get the requirement. I can't talk about the set that is required to fulfill. the
Okay. Okay. Thank you, sir. Very
Most welcome, sir. So here's the question by Saraswati ma'am. What do you suggest for the beginners of online sessions to start with preferably? Which type of online class, which type of video? So beginners should not try to go with online sessions, because online sessions always have many problems. Internet disconnectivity is one of the problem, because we all are teachers, so we are using some rules, like we all muted our mic, we have no problem, but the student don't do it. They keep making noise during your classroom. So if you are new, I say start with pre-recorded videos, and Moodle is the best if you want to do it for free. Merge it with Genomio, and then you will be able to offer the classes. Slowly you will start. Means once in a week you take a live class just to resolve the doubt. When you get some ideas, only then you go for taking full-fledged online classes. And Zoom is best in that case.
Yeah, I think that's why these schooling educations are preferring this Zoom platform, because
Yes.
it is easy to use at both end. I mean, teacher as well as students.
Yes, yes.
Okay, so okay, now I think we are done with questions, sir, right?
Hello,
Yes,
sir.
yes.
Hello,
Yes,
sir.
please. Yes,
Yes, yes,
Ah,
ma'am, please.
Sir, is Zoom safe for us?
That is again subjective. Means unless you know how to use a tool, it cannot be safe. Correct.
Sir, we have been asked to uninstall it and then have the Google Meet, and now do we need to again install it?
No. If you are using Google Meet, then keep using it. See,
Okay,
it's
fine,
all
sir.
about the preference. It's all about us. So, like in Google Meet also, the same problem which were there in Zoom, the same problem can be here also.
Okay, sir.
Yes, I got a call from someone who shared a marketing email. In marketing email, he embedded the link to his Google Meet. So the link went to thousands of people, and at a particular time, everybody joined, and then it creates a lots of problems. So it's all about how we are using it. Like sir is sharing link with us only, na? He's not sharing link with anybody else outside us. And we are mature enough to not share that link with somebody else, but the students are not. This is why these problems keep coming.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much, sir.
Most welcome.
Right. So actually, at the second last day, we have with us Dr. Anup Patel. He traveled from Allahabad to NIT Kurukshetra today morning, and he's with us. Hello, sir.
So how are you, sir? Your mic is mute. You are unable to unmute your mic.
Anup sir, unmute yourself. Actually, it's not audible.
Okay. Hello,
Yes,
sir.
please.
Yeah.
Hello, sir. How are you?
Yeah. Good evening to one and all. I just reached here 30 minutes before, and I tried to join, and I think everything is fine. And I personally know Yogen sir already. He has delivered one full day lecture here. That's why I know what will happen here. I hope everyone has enjoyed, sir, for sure. And tomorrow we will engage a lecture on few tools regarding basically few tools for content creation, video content creation, video compression, and some basic aspects of Moodle that is already been discussed by Dr. Sinam Pandey sir, but few things are missing there. We will try to cover that, and along with that we will also cover about video compression and all other things in very simple way.
Yes. Right.
Is there any other thing to add here?
We will sit today evening, and we will finalize the points. So because most of the things are basically two important part has been covered. One is e-assessment part has been covered by Sriram sir, and this video creating video, preparing video in all aspects actually covered by Dr. Yogen sir. So I think we have to actually potentially cover the two important aspects. Now, whatever points we have not covered, not touched upon, we will be closing all those points on tomorrow sessions, so that we will be ready for online teaching at least. Right, sir? So thank you, Yogen sir, again from NIT Kurukshetra side. As organizer, we want to thank you, and we will be in touch with you. Like in the very first day, our Professor Saklesh Swarup sir shared that these kind of workshops should be happening or should be scheduled on basically systematically on time basis, maybe after each and every after 6 months or 4 months. So we will be again contacting you for similar kind of event, maybe bigger than this actually. So thank you for that, sir, again. And I think our participants are really actually feeling good about all these things which you have shared with us, maybe by a demonstration, maybe by a PPT, or maybe by reviewing our videos actually, because this is very this phenomena rarely happens when expert review videos or expert review submissions of participants. So thank you for that, sir.
You're most welcome, sir. It was my pleasure actually to see the videos. I feel really good when videos come out of the workshop.
Right.
And if you remember, it does not happen generally in face-to-face meeting. Last time it was not possible.
Yes, sir.
But here, because it's offline, see, it is possible.
Yes, sir. So with this, I think we can close today's meeting. Yes, and we will in touch with you, sir. Thank you for today's session as well as the 10th of August session. Thank you, sir. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir. Okay, thank you, everybody. Thank you.
Right, sir. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Okay, sir. Now I think we can leave.
Yeah, so I'm now closing this meeting. Thank you.